so look, we had to fill up the big ZL1, man.
Oh, about to smack you in the head. One side. Hey man, what's up, man? It's your boy Jay back again with another video, man. So look, I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. I ain't uploaded in a while, man. But yeah, I picked up the camera. I said I gotta get some content out for y'all today, man. So look, right now I'm headed to, it's called a park and party. I ain't never heard nothing like this, but I've been seeing it, you know what I'm saying, getting posted around and stuff or whatever. I'm finna go hop in the ZL1 and see what's going on. We're gonna pull up over there and see what it's talking about, man. But look, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, man, and turn on the post notifications so y'all see when I post, because I'm finna get back on it. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the car. Alright, man, so look, oh, the car was so cold, my stuff fogging up. This the ride for the day, man. We in here with Chevy and Shawty, man. Y'all go subscribe to me, boy. Alright, y'all, so look, I'm in the car now. Took me a good little minute to get here. We in here with that boy Chevy. He said, I'm a liar. How you say that shit?
You're a liar. 10 minutes to my he in the neighborhood. Neighborhood where?
Man, I don't hit a California and everything. I made it through the gate. The gate's closed. I hit a California. Oh, this boy had me dying right here when I came through. My boy got the push.
He couldn't get it back. Oh, he was out there with the push mode.
Man, what? I'm like, yeah. I remember them days, boy. But yeah, man, we on the way to the park and party. I already seen a little video and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So by the time, you know, black folks ain't never on time for nothing. So by the time we get there, it should be talking about something. We gotta make the grand entrance. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get there. Hey man, so look, we had to fill up the big ZL1, man. This mud just a stance on this mud, just me. I ain't gonna lie to you. You ever thought about underglow?
I don't really be into that shit, man. I thought about maybe doing the lights, the headlights, but I don't know.
Yeah, they just go
crazy. I don't be liking all that shit, man. Your battery be going dead and give you too much.
That's because they don't know how to install it right.
I see you got 360.
My boy don't zip tied it.
We gonna test this out, y'all. We gonna figure out if this working now. I zip tied it. We gonna see if it hold it up in the other time.
Crazy. Oh yeah. Y'all see the tires on this mud. Hey, look.
Man, I told y'all we back with the video, man. We back on deck.
Should I go ZL1?
Back to y'all, man. Back. Y'all make sure y'all.
Hold on, let's see.
Stay tuned. Like the video.
Yeah. Hey, this the thumbnail right here. This the thumbnail.
See y'all in a minute, man. We gonna take that ride, man.
Let's get it.
Drive.
Alright, y'all. We 1 minute away. We down the street actually. We pulling up. Boy Chevy right here. He setting up GoPros and everything. I gotta get me some GoPros. Boy, I get some GoPros. We really gonna turn up then. No cap. Boy, hurt my soul. Hey, we right here. We right here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, they got the cars out. There it is. I got to turn in. Can't turn in on no soft stuff, man. This one of them. This one of them. This one of them. They got the trucks out, the lift kits. My boy goddamn hitting somebody's shit tonight, boy. Yes, sir. GT 500. Oh, he got drag rails on there. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Look, got the white boy out here with it.
What is it?
They got
a little scat.
Yeah, a little scat pack. Scat pack.
A little snack. You know what I'm saying?
And my boy Kobe right there.
Where? Sit down.
Right there with the bike at. Just pull forward. This shit here. We're gonna see it in time. My boy done hit the gas on.
Where you at?
My boy Kobe right there.
Which one? You talking about the one with the beard?
Yeah.
Oh, brother with the Hemi.
With the jailbreak. Oh, that's bro with the Hemi too.
Yeah, right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hey, they gonna hit shit right there.
Yep. Hello.
the fuck going on. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy 2SS Fresh. You see how we doing it, man?
Yes, sir. What's going on, boy?
My guy.
You trying to line it up? Where's the jailbreak at? Where's the jailbreak at?
We can line that bitch up. Man, what's up with it? I'm bullshit now.
Hey, he said that's bro with the Hemi, ain't it? I'm like, yeah, his shit right there. We got the 360, the GoPro on the inside.
There's gonna be a bartender in here, boy.
I see.
We got the GoPro going too. I mean,
Yeah, I see that guy. Hey, park it over here. Hey y'all, so look, man, I'm finna go over the cars, man. We got the Scat Pack in the purple. We got the pit bikes coming through. We got my boy Kobe in the jailbreak. Yeah, it one of them. Hey, Kobe, hit the edge to start, man. Yeah.
We got the color sunroof on that.
He finna crank it for us. There it is. Wait for it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Boys always coming trim. Man, we got all kind of different flavors out here though, man. We got 392 in the orange with the black scrapes. I mess with this. It must go hard. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, it is Daytona. Oh, okay. He want to crank it up for us too. Yeah. Yes, sir. Then we got the Q60, man. The Q60. Q60 always gotta go crazy for you folks. Yeah. Q60 go crazy. That way shit. Yes, sir. It mud clean though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh yeah. I see it. Yeah. We got the RT crunk too. Yeah. Hey, everybody gonna show out, man. That's what it is. You got everybody showing out. Ooh. My boy going up the street crazy. Yeah. But look, this how you do it right here. But yeah. But yeah.
We had the anniversary of the banana window 10 shot.
Y'all see it behind me where we at, man.
Congratulations.
Let me turn y'all back around. Good. That's where we at, man. Y'all come check them out. They got good food, everything, man. But look, I'm finna get back with y'all in a minute. I'm finna take it up off this. I'm finna take it up off that gimbal because it's kind of hard to vlog with it, mud. But look, y'all new to the channel, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, man. We are. Alright, y'all. My boy finna go for the first ride in the jailbreak real quick.
Yeah, front seat.
I'm giving you front seat.
he's like, yeah, you ain't got happy now.
Put that on the back.
Yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
this ain't over to 3 a.m.
Yeah, I
tonight.
see it.
We got so much salmon and shit.
Y'all see it, red seats. My boy Kobe, hey man, y'all go follow my boy on the ground. SRT Kobe, man.
Need one of them, bro. That shit cheap too, bro. This shit was 100 for the mouth.
What you say? I couldn't hear you.
Yo,
Not you finna have 360
I
on the
couldn't
back of
hear
your shit.
nigga, what?
What? Going crazy. Let me hit a little RT. This scat. This is scat. Oh, my bad, my bad.
you hear him,
My
bitch?
bad.
Fuck.
How you feeling?
I had to let Duke know. Hey, what happened at that light when we was waiting? What got your ass, bro? What happened at what light? What happened at that?
In the jailbreak with it, man.
I see that motherfucker, man. Come on now. 40.
It's spinning, bro.
Yeah, I got that feeling.
I can feel it.
Yeah.